The goal of this video is to give you a walk through all of the graded items in the course. My philosophy of evaluation is to use distributed assessment. What that means is there will be several different items graded. Many of them will be low numbers of points, maybe just 1 or 2% per item. But that means that there's no single projects that determine all of your grade. There's no hopefully high stress projects, and there's a variety of different things that are going to be graded, which I hope will make it more accessible to people with different learning styles. The other side of this is that you do need to work fairly continuously in the course. There'll be assignments due every day. You don't want to get behind. You can't just kind of make it all up at the end by doing one big final project. So please. And my guideline that I've set myself in terms of workload is to aim for about 6 hours a day as the expectation for the course. So if you find you're spending a lot longer than that, let me know. We've probably done something wrong in terms of setting up the assessments. But that's how I went about setting up these assignments. So to keep track of the assignments, you will find under the content tab there is a document for each assignment that goes into more detail, that gives you exactly what's required for that assignment in terms of due dates and so forth. So do look at those. Those will give you more detail than this video will. There are due dates every day, so make sure that you are paying attention to those. Several but not all of the assignments you can decide when you're going to set your due dates. So for to look ahead at those due dates and plan your course. For the slightly larger assignments, you don't want to also be maybe doing reading responses those days. If you have a day that you know you're busy, make sure that you've worked ahead and so forth. Most of the assignments are due 11:59 p.m. Late work will not be accepted for grading in this class, so please be sure to make things due on time. The reason for that is that there's going to be discussion based on your work. A lot of the work is about the material for the day. We're going to move quite quickly through the days, so work that's late really isn't useful to us in terms of the other students being able to see what you're thinking and learn from it and so forth. It is a class that emphasizes mutual learning, so it's very important to get that work in on time and give everyone else a chance to read it and respond. If you have problems completing assignments, if you think you're not going to make a deadline, please get in touch with me as soon as possible. Send me an email, let me know what's going on, and we'll try and work around that. And also, if you have any questions about the assignments, I strongly encourage you to post them to the forums. Under the first general forum, there's a place for questions. The reason I encourage people to post it there is that often if you have a question about an assignment, if I haven't written it clearly, other people will have a similar question or maybe haven't even thought of that question. So it can be really helpful to everyone to see the questions and the answers. However, obviously, if you want to ask me directly by email, that's fine too. I hope that this gives you a sense of how the grade is going to be earned for the course. And if you have any more questions, please get in touch with me and make sure you look at those assignment sheets under the content tab. Thank you.